Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to blur edges of your image in Photoshop. First of all, you need to open your Photoshop and you should be on your home page of Photoshop. Then just open the image whose edges you want to blur. So this is the image in my case. I can just drag this image onto Photoshop just like this and the image will open, and it is locked, so we need to unlock this first by clicking on this lock button. Once your photo is unlocked, just go to select and click on all. Then again click on select, and here you'll see the option modify. Under it you'll see the option contract, and here we need to set this contract by value to 500, and this option should be checked, and just click on OK. Next go to again select the same option modify, and this time we're gonna click on feather, and this value is gonna be 200, and just click on OK. Now moving to the next step, we need to click on select again, and this time we're gonna click on inverse. Once you inverse the selection, click on edit and select the option cut, and yeah, you can see we have successfully blurred the edges of our image. And just for you can see clearly, I'll just add the white background here. There you go. That's how you can blur the edges of your image. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.